Hello students, starting with a new chapter, multiplication part 2. Okay, in multiplication part 2, see, these are simple multiplication sums, but on page number 75, how you have done in your third standard also. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So this 5 you will write here and 1 you will carry at tens place. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So 1 you will write here and 2 you will carry at hundreds place. Correct? Then 5 7s are, what is 5 7s are children? 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. But no need to carry here because see we are doing 3 digits multiplication. Okay, so no need to carry here. You will directly write 37 over here. Okay children. Now moving ahead with the second sum. 4 9s are, see 4 9s are, 9 is at units place, so 4 9s are is 36. So 6 you will write here and 3 you will carry at tens place. Then anything multiplied to 0 is always 0. Always remember, if you multiply anything to 0 is always 0. So 4 3s are 0, 0 plus 3 is 3 and 4 4s are, what is 4 4s are? 16. So you will write directly 16 over here. Okay, then third one, 9 4s are, again see 4 is at units place and you will multiply 4 with 9. So 9 4s are 36. 5 4s are, 5 9s are, 5 is at tens place and 9 is at units place. So you are multiplying 9 with 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3. 45 plus 3 is 48. So 4 you will carry at hundreds place and 8 you will write at tens place. Then 3 9s are, what is 3 9s are children? 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. Okay, simple multiplication sums, just these are 3 digit sums. Okay, now moving ahead to page number 76. As you go to page number 76, you will see there are 2 digits. Okay, means 37 multiplied by 27. Okay, so what you will do? See, first you will multiply the number which is at units place. So 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Okay. Then 3 7s are is, what is 3 7s are children? 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Okay. Then what you will do? You will put 1 0 over here. Always add 1 0 over here because when you have 2 digit numbers to multiply, you have to put a 0 over here. Okay, then see even here they have put. Okay, so 0 over here. Then 2 7s are 14. So 4 you will write at tens place. Automatically it will shift here. 2 7s are 14. 4 you will write here. 1 you will carry at hundreds place. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then you will add over here 9, 9, 9. Understood? I hope it is clear. Whenever if you have 2 digits number, so or 3 digits number, you will add 1 0 over here. If it is a 2 digit number, for example, so you will add 1 0, then you will start multiplying. Okay, first you will add 0 over here, then you will multiply with this number and then this number. Now here 2 sevens are, what is 2 sevens are, children? Can you tell me what is 2 sevens are? 14. So 1 you will carry at tens place, 4 you will write at units place. Then 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So you will write 13 over here. Now this is done. Okay, 2, we have already completed multiplying with 2. Now we will multiply with 9. We will multiply with 9. So what you will do? First you will put a 0. 9 sevens are, what is 9 sevens are, children? 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 7 nines are or 9 sevens are is 63. So 6 you will carry here, 3 you will write here. Okay, 6 you will carry at hundreds place, so I have written over here. Then 9 6 are, what is 9 6 are? 54. 54 plus 6 is 60. See, I have added this 6 to 54. 9 6 are 54. So it becomes 60. Then you will add 4, 6, 1, 6. Okay, simple. Now third sum. 4 zeros are 0. 4 6 are, anything multiplied to 0 is always 0. 4 6 are, what is 4 6 are? 24. So you will write directly 24 over here. So we have completed multiplication of 4. Now we will multiply with the second number, which is 2. So you will put first 0 over here. Okay, and then 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 6 are 12. So you will write 12 over here. 0 4 4 1. So this is, similarly we will solve the sums on page number 77. 5 8s are 45. 5 8s are 40. So 4 you will write at tens place, 0 you will write at units place. Then you will multiply 5 3s are, what is 5 3s are? 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. We have completed the multiplication of 5. Now we will multiply with the second number. So before multiplying with the second number, you will put a 0 over here. Okay, then 2 8s are 16. So 6 you will write here, 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 1 you will carry at hundreds place. Sorry children, not over here. You will carry up. Okay, because this is for first number. Now second number. Okay, 16. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now let's add 0, 15 and 9. So the answer is 950. Now 4 7s are 28. 4 6s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Then see, we have completed this number's multiplication. Now we will multiply with the Now you will multiply with the second number. So before multiplying with the second number, put a 0 over here. 9 sevens are or 7 nines are. What is 7 nines are, children? 63. So you will write 3 over here and 6 you will carry at hundreds place. Now 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 is 60. Now let us add them. Okay, so put an addition sign. 8 9 2 6. So this is your answer. Now the third sum. 4 zeros are 0. 4 6 are 24. First number is done. Now we will multiply with the second number, which is, first you will put a 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. 0 4 10 2. Simple.